up, you guys?
What's up, guys? It's Ava. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're here with Charlie. Hi.
We haven't seen each other in so long, so.
I saw you 2 days ago.
No, I mean like.
We haven't had like girl time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Those girls are like, spa night, meow, meow, meow. Let's do adventures, fun things from the Jenga that we did.
Oh my God. What is it?
Weirdest place you've sucked dick.
We're not like most girls.
We're different.
Today we're gonna be Googling ourselves. I've done this before and it was like fucked up what I saw. It was some serious weird stuff on the internet, but I feel like I can handle it.
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
The worst.
We both put our lives out there.
We're the only ones that know what's actually going on.
It's fun to like see what people think, unless it's like people doing some such.
All right, well, we're gonna get into this. We're gonna really try to see some weird today. Yeah, give this video a thumbs up for Charlie and I Googling ourselves, and yeah, let's do it.
I think you should go first.
Okay, we'll start like simple. Why is net worth the first? Why are people so concerned about? Okay, we're gonna click on net worth.
Oh, that's great.
Okay, all right, 5 million. I got nothing to say to that. I got nothing to say to that.
Look at all your TV shows all lined up right here. You got your YouTube's wiki page. Look at you.
She got that Wikipedia.
YouTube star Ava Towski, love life. New boyfriend. The YouTube star is dating Olav
Stuberud.
Stuberud.
I love that they have every picture of my exes right here.
Yeah.
They're reaching. They're oh no, not Alex.
Why are they listing off all your past boyfriends?
This was literally 6 days ago. Who like made them concerned with my relationships?
We like the last one the best.
Yeah, we like the last one. Okay, we're gonna go for Charlie now. Age, net worth, birthday, Logan Paul, Taylor Holder, Wikipedia. Charlie Jordan shows her
peach.
What's that? YouTube, TikTok, Spotify. Musical artist. Charlie Jordan is an American DJ, social media influencer, Smoke Roses director, and model.
What does my net worth say it is?
Okay.
Ah!
Oh. I'll take you out to dinner tonight.
Thank you.
Kiddo.
That's why I called her my mom when I first met her.
Husband, Robert Graham. This needs to be a little update.
Whoa! Okay.
Since when were you married?
For some reason, everyone thinks that we were engaged. I feel like because he was on The Bachelor, everyone just like, and we lived together for like 2.5 years. So.
Charlie Jordan race.
Yeah, let's
Charlie
watch
Jordan.
Charlie Jordan Smoke Summer Rain. I like that one. It's crazy to me that this video has 5 million views now.
Why is this double ads?
YouTube became real comfortable with their no skip ads. I took it way too seriously.
So, okay, I ran track sprints as well. So let me just analyze this competition right here. Okay, where are you? You're this one, right?
Yes.
She looks unconfident. She shouldn't be looking up like that.
She looks like a
she's
trying to be on all fours.
Your head down. What are you doing? Praying at that point?
I am way too prepared. I'm in blocks.
Oh my God! No one else was in blocks.
You only use if you ran track.
They let you have blocks, but nobody else.
No, I asked. They were right here. No one else knew what they were. Of course, I'm gonna use blocks. I had spikes on and everything. I put on all the gear. I'm roasting myself. I'm saying that I was taking this way too seriously.
Look at you. What the f?
I'm at full form, full force. Please,
That's
someone look at Summer's face when she's running this race. We were all trying. Look at their faces. She's like,
she's trying. She's really trying. Charlie, what the f? Look at the distance.
I may or may not have ran from the cops successfully a couple times.
Oh my God. 13 seconds.
I ran a 12.2 in high school, so that was 0.8 seconds off. This was like the early version of influencers getting into sports. Like how much attention this got, like before boxing was like.
I was so sad I wasn't a part of this.
You should have been there. Oh, that would have been great.
So fun.
Should we do a new one?
For sure.
That would be so fun.
We need to do like soccer.
Soccer would be sick. Like full-blown slide tackling bitches that you've been internet angry at for like 2 years.
Like obviously it wouldn't be as like violent as boxing, but like it would just be fun, like a little community soccer game. So let's get a little juicy now. Charlie Jordan drama.
Oh my gosh.
TikTok stars Charlie Jordan and Taylor Holder break up. Taylor Holder and Charlie Jordan caught kissing live.
What's up with these caps? Charlie Jordan claims. Taylor Holder chose TV show over her.
Damn. All right.
That like got me all worked up.
I know.
I hated reading all those things just now.
Charlie, have you heard about WikiFeet?
Yes. I have so many views on my WikiFeet.
Oh, she's a WikiFeet celebrity. If you guys don't know what WikiFeet is, it's a website where people post celebrity feet. So let's see some WikiFeet. Oh, look, they're updating that. That was like last week.
Where's that from?
A video I did with Olaf.
Oh wow, they really are updating it.
Beautiful feet. Hey, we both 5 stars. 5-star feet.
Accomplishment. My feet are veiny.
There's some veiny fucking feet, what the hell?
I run really fast because my feet are built for speed, okay?
Yeah. Hey, I hoped I could see some more angles in this pose. That sole over there is breathtaking.
What are people doing in their free time?
Her feet seem best displayed when she's not standing. The roast.
Wow, love her soles. Everyone likes my sole. Thank you.
It's out of focus, like so many of the screenshots for her feet. They need to be of good quality.
Hyman, that's your username?
This person full-ass wrote an essay arguing about the time he's invested into my foot pick collection.
You really should put your time and energy into your fans.
Hey guys, all love here. I don't support arguing. Love only. Easily top 10 5 on this site.
You hear that? I'm in the top 0.02% of OnlyFans, and she's in the top 0.02% of WikiFeet.
Hey,
So
listen.
give us the bag.
Maybe I need to start a foot OnlyFans. You pay
Called
for this now, bitch.
Feet fans. Only feet. I'm disturbed by this whole website and everything that's going on right now. If you look up like of yourself, people
I've seen
Photoshop mad pictures of our faces. I'm like, is that me?
What do you have on
I don't know. Click on it. Just
That's
kidding.
not you. None of that is
Ew.
you. Oh, gross.
Wait.
Oh no.
That's me.
That's Mia Khalifa.
I don't think I have anything on if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, see,
fuck is
look,
this?
people be photoshopping.
That's clearly not you. That's not you. What the? No, Charlie, no.
This is from my OnlyFans. How is this on the internet? I need to get that exited. What is this?
Oh, yeah, that's literally it. Someone just like tried to Photoshop me naked back in the day and just put like pink bars on it. Nothing naked.
She spoke too soon. That's a good one. That's a
Ew,
good one.
that's clearly not my body. That's, oh my God.
That one looks a little real.
Looks a little
I'm a
real.
little concerned. She was actually, yeah, that was me.
Come on now, come
I like
the-
that one. That's a full it's just out.
We need to go to something more wholesome.
Yeah, I feel like searching your name on the internet is a black hole and you can do it for hours.
Let's search something like completely random, like Charlie Jordan arrested.
Oh.
Oh.
I wasn't arrested. I was put into quarantine when I went to Rwanda to do charity work. And it was a whole misunderstanding. It's all about Rwanda.
The extent of your internet is pretty clean.
Everyone really likes to focus on who I'm dating. Like that's seems to be the popular whatever.
Do you have any fanfics?
I hope so.
Influencers. There's so many! You have to read these.
There's so many about me and Taylor. Oh my god.
Why are they always with the Dolan twins? I have like 50 fanfics with the Dolan twins.
100 rounds.
Oh no,
Fanfic.
not 100 rounds. You met Taylor at the Triller compound. You gave him 2 chances and he blew it. You started dating Zach Lugo. You met him from John, since that's his best friend.
Why are there so many
Super
chapters?
important. 18 looks steamy. Zach had left the store. Someone knocks, you open it, and it's a boy you've never seen. He looks like he's in his 20s. Get away, please. If you don't kiss me once, your boyfriend gets here, I will kill him. You psycho.
The grammar on that was rough.
Not the laptop dying.
Hopefully it's screen recorded. Overall, I think that was a pretty successful internet search.
I think that was very traumatizing.
For everyone. I wish I had one of those like Men in Black. For the most part, like we're both pretty clean. Like there wasn't
We're pretty
anything,
clean.
Like,
Yeah, and everything that like wasn't clean like isn't real.
The Rwanda thing was real.
Well,
but
yeah,
that's,
no,
like, not-
we have no like sexy.
Oh no, I don't do sexy things. I would never. I'm a good Mormon girl.
Yeah, me too. You feel like you know everything that you know about yourself. Everyone else has that same information, but it's totally not true. But yeah.
But people don't do that. Also, I know everyone in this video right now is gonna call me out for looking at her boobs when she was talking, but I was looking at them because she's peeling.
I
was wondering
am.
Why.
Oh wait, where am I peeling?
Not just looking at her titties. What is this?
Oh, it's just my boob tape.
Oh, it's boob tape. That's what it is. I was very confused. I'm like, why is she peeling? I don't think she's sunburned.
Mm-hmm.
Or I was
Someone's
just
gonna
looking at her
take that
titties.
and then slowed in reverb music to it. We filmed a video on Charlie's channel.
What did we do?
We looked through our purses. What's in my purse?
We have a lot of in our purse, and we went through and had to explain everything. Make sure you guys can check it out on my channel.
Yeah, other than that, I love you guys and stay sexy, Stay off the internet.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment,
and
subscribe. Never post your phone on the internet.
We'll
for,
see you
for
guys
free.
later.
For free. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
La primera vez que te veía, supe que era la mujer para mí. Nunca tuve ni una duda, no. Y ahora vos tenés mi corazón. Dale, nena, contame lo que te gusta de mí. Dale, nena, mostrame lo que te hace feliz.